Have you ever done something and wondered, maybe that wasn't a good idea, but then it turned out to be amazing? Yeah, I have. Let me tell you about one of them. But first, let me show you where it happened. Dude! Here's what happened. Okay, it's not that serious. But I mean, look at this chair. I had to do it. Okay, let me tell you this story. This is Soren and Stina. I met them hiking this incredible volcano in Guatemala. In a thunder, hail, and snowstorm. I didn't actually take this shot because I was in bed dying of altitude sickness, but then I was revived and I took this photo. Oh, and we built a snowman. Yeah. Anyways, the next morning we woke up early to see the volcano without snow and hail and lightning. Oh, and there was a dog. Long story short, things weren't looking good, but the weather cleared and we shared a pretty incredible sunrise experience. I mean, just watch this. Despite this experience, we had only spent a total of 1 day together. There's something magical about traveling, and I'm not even sure how it happened, but we decided we would travel Iceland together. At first impulse, I was hyped. Repeating the Guatemala adventure in a completely new and not to mention incredible place, Iceland, sounded like a dream. But then the doubt came in. Is this smart? Should I be traveling with people I've met once? They're practically strangers. Well, sometimes that uncomfortable decision can lead to some of the best experiences of your life. That is exactly what happened.
You never said so much.
Here's the thing about traveling. It gets you out of your comfort zone while simultaneously giving you some of the best experiences of your life.
Oh my god.
Those two things combined make you your most authentic, vulnerable self, which is the perfect equation for bonding and friendship.
Wow.
Look at that rock! That's it.
Where do you want to go?
Illegal! Flow. Cheers. The truth is that if you never do anything that gets you outside of your comfort zone, if you never cross boundaries or try something new, something uncomfortable, then you will remain stagnant. You will never grow. I used a quote recently that says this: "Doubt kills more dreams than failure ever will." The truth is that if you never fail, you never grow, you never learn. Failure is the greatest teacher. The point is, if you don't take that leap, make that uncomfortable decision, then you are closing so many doors in your life. Doors to success, doors to new possibilities, doors to experiences like this. Am I telling you to go on a trip with strangers? Not necessarily. Be smart, but be brave, be spontaneous, be bold, be willing to be comfortable with being uncomfortable. Sure, you may fail, you may end up with a bad experience, but you will come out the other side stronger, progress, and with stories to tell.